Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change time frame for your trading view. So let's say that you are in a trading view and you're gonna launch chart here for euro, right? Euro USD, and I'm going to open that. Now when you're gonna be here, you see that right now it's 1 day, so it's going to day by day. What you can do is go to top left, and next to the graph here you're gonna see the day. Click on it and then choose like minutes, hours, or month. So I can have like 1 month here. I see 2003. Or you can go like 1 week, or like have like a range here. So that's another thing that you can do. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.